My journey began back in 2005 while I was attending the University of Memphis. I found out during my junior year of college that I was pregnant with my first daughter. At that point in time, hair was not a career in my parents' eyes, and so they wanted me to attend college, and so I did that. But once I found out that I was pregnant with my daughter, it turned the tables. And with that, I decided I'm going to go to beauty school. I'm going to do what I wanted to do, and I'm going to fulfill my passion as a hairstylist, and so that's what I did. My everyday client is the corporate woman. Every woman that sits in my chair is a wife, is a mom, has a business. If she's not an entrepreneur of her own, she is running someone else's business for them. Every single woman that I have is extremely confident, and nobody walks out of my chair without a smile on their face. My name is Adrienne Small. I am the creator and founder of Beyond the Chair, a beauty symposium. I am a professional hairstylist, a master colorist, as well as a beauty mastermind curator. I specialize in healthy hair color on natural hair, and I've been in this industry for over 12 years. The idea for Beyond the Chair started when I moved to Fort Lauderdale, Florida. I went there to work for a celebrity hairstylist, and everything that I got to experience while on that job put a fire in me. And it was things that I wanted to learn that I did not have access to, either because of my low funds or because it was out of state and I wasn't able to travel. So everything that I wanted to do, I just decided, why not create it myself? If it was not in the city, if it was not close to me, if I did not have financial access to the person that I wanted to learn it from, I figured I should just create that myself. So that's where Beyond the Chair came about. I wanted to make sure that stylists in the beauty industry, specifically in Memphis, had a platform to not only display their talent, but to actually learn from their own in the city. Memphis does not get enough credit for everything that we do and everything that we produce. And with that, a lot of stylists tend to merge into bigger cities like Atlanta and LA and New York to learn from those stylists when we have the people right here in the city. So Beyond the Chair is really Memphis's platform. So Beyond the Chair is a 2-day symposium where we take a very small, intimate group of stylists and we give them every single aspect of the beauty industry. We give them the hands-on, we give them the look and learns, we give them the financial classes, anything in the beauty industry, we have it in these 2 days. So if you want to learn how to color and cut hair, if you want to learn how to create units or wigs, if you want to learn how to do anything dealing with editorial work, makeup, lashes, eyebrows, it is involved in Beyond the Chair. We also bring in estheticians that teach on lash extensions, brows. I also have women to come in and teach you how to make units, the difference between different types of extensions. We do finances. We do anything dealing with your business at Beyond the Chair. We take care of it there during those 2 days. Meet the Masterminds began on my way back to Memphis from a conference that I attended in Orlando. I was reading a book on business, and it was basically saying that you needed to have a group of people that you considered a mastermind to feed off of. And so instead of getting a group of people together once a month or once a week to do these meetings, I felt, why not make it an event to where people in the industry can come in, talk to people from specific entities of the business, and they can get down and dirty with them. I wanted to make sure they had every ounce of feedback, every resource that they needed. I wanted to make sure that they got it at Meet the Mastermind. So that's where that event came from. I ended up becoming pregnant with my second child and being put on bed rest. And with that, they gave me the time to create this event to make sure that it was just outstanding and that everybody got the resources and the feedback that they needed from each particular mastermind. The best part of my job is being able to hear their stories. Whenever I have a client sit in my chair, it's never about me. It's always about what's going on that day. It's always about what they have coming up. And I'm able to hear these stories and make sure that I can reflect it through their hair. By the end of their session with me, I want them to leave smiling. I want them to leave confident. And being able to change a woman's confidence through their hair is the best part of my job. My clients and my children are both my motivation. My children are my motivation to keep moving, to always do better, to come up with more ideas, to create the income that I know that we're going to need to provide that generational wealth. My clients are the motivation that they provide keeps me here. So my children get me here, my clients keep me here. And with that, like I said, their stories and the things that I'm able to pull off of them, the things that I'm able to learn off of them, keep me excited about running to work every single day. The goal for Adrienne Small is to become a household name. I want to ensure that everything I do makes a mark on beauty professionals, specifically in Memphis. I want to start here. I want to make sure that the core of the Memphis stylist soaks up everything that this industry has to offer. Once I've obtained that, then that's when I want to make sure I take it to another city, take it to another state, take it to another country. And from that point on, I'll know once I get to that point that I've made my mark in this industry. So I don't only see myself as a hairstylist, but also an educator that is still a student. I created Beyond the Chair because there were more things that I wanted to see within the city that was not here. So I decided to do it myself. So with that, I offer one-on-one classes, group sessions, as well as coaching sessions to beauty professionals. And what that does is that allows me to continue to grow within my industry. I am so excited about what's next. You can learn more about me at www.adriennesmall.com and stay connected with me on Facebook and Instagram at By Adrienne Small.